at full stretch, nestles into the back of the net. And Arun, who's been threatening with all those set pieces, as we spoke about before, you keep giving him those opportunities to put the ball into the box. He will make you pay. Looks like the foul has been given though, and I'm very, very surprised. I think, in my opinion, Kenkre FC have just gotten away with that. An excellent header. It's a bit of a giveaway. Ball into the box, it's cleared away. Just scoop that away, and it's done very well. Just flip that forward. Get that away. It's taking a chance there, and of absolutely nothing. Lovely work to just keep the ball. So the switch of play. Just giving away in the middle of the park. Has to be scooped that forward. It's done very well to keep the ball here. Sheetal looks for the cutback and make it. Oh my word! That was a massive opportunity there. Bit of a miscue with the finish. And Pessie had the opportunity to just open his face of the boot and get the fourth. Lovely work into the side. It just hits that in the ground, and that's why it just screwed wide. Lovely work there from Rajdan to pick out Pessie, and you can see from his reaction, we are seeing a double substitution here. Number 9, Nalem, and the number 14, Kongse, coming in here. It's here the goal scorer who opened the scoring has been withdrawn. Just check whether Rajasthan has been withdrawn as well, as both the wingers must be substituted here. Lovely burst of pace here by the substitute. Fresh legs there. Looks for the cutback. It's well defended. Did not clear. Whoa! Go for the strike from this, and then that was always traveling. Didn't catch that clean. Really hit that with some force though. Rajasthan and see, 2 players that have been withdrawn. Very good defending there on the slide. 3-1 here, no change to score in the first half. There have been a couple of opportunities, big opportunities for Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC to try and add the fourth. The header from Ragi, which was a magnificent header, was ruled out. Whether or not it was an offside flag or a foul, I'm not really sure, but regardless, it doesn't change the fact that it's still 3-1. Another heavy touch there, but he made sure just gets that out of harm's way. He'll be out for a throw-in. Motoring forward. This is a good move here. Lovely pace here. Looks to thread the through pass, but the defending has been astute. Here's Om. Trying to get onto that left foot of his. Hooks that forward. Good defending there. Danger still not clear. Now he just boots that forward. Looks to just roll the challenge there. The chase is on here. Defender does the right thing there. Just composed bit of defending. Having to drop very deep here, very little service for him to try and latch onto. Lovely touch there. Might have been a bit of a foul there. It was a nudge. Last touch coming off Ragi, but just asking the question as to whether or not that was a foul. The corner has been given. Opportunity here for Kenkre FC. Try and half the deficit. Fancy making sure that he organizes his defense. Cross comes in. Oh, he managed to do that very big save, and he manages to clear that away. He had to be switched on in that moment. Was that the opportunity really for Kenkre FC to find their way back into this contest as we're heading into the final 10 minutes of normal time? Another corner here. Look at that. Oh, it's a stooping header as well now. Whether or not he should have just latched his boot onto it is another question. Cross comes into the box. Keeper comes out. No man's land there and had to clear. It travels a long way. How about that for magnificent centre forward play? Just rolls the defender, and now Morning Star FC can just bomb forward. No real rush though. Take their time. Just slowing the play down here. Go around the outside. Cross comes into the box. Keeper, flying save, getting enough on it. This is booted forward as Kenkre FC are heading another substitution. Good ball, lovely pass. He's done very well to keep the ball, waits for support. It's great play there, just flying in, making sure he got nothing but ball. Just to evade the press of the referee there. He does very well to turn away from trouble. Now looking to venture forward once again. Look at the way they quickly get back into the shape there. Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC. Beautifully done there, and should be a foul. They make the substitution. Rishikesh Pandey is being readied by Kenkre FC. The final knockings here. Yashital is that onto the right hand side. Looking to venture forward. Homerson puts his head up, decides against flinging that into the box. Lovely touch there by the substitute Kongse. Here's Cornelius. Looks to switch the play. Immaculate crossfield ball. Beautifully done. And a quick 1-2 there. This is smooth football into the box. Magnificent defending. Had to slide to make sure. Got enough on it. Still not cleared there. And the foul has been given. And body's being flung in the box. Full commitment to the cause. Kingsgrave FC looking to find their way back into this contest. Still enough time here. They need to get that next goal quick and in a hurry. Here's the skipper Arvind. Here's the outside of the boot pass, well intercepted by Cornelius. Picks up the second ball as well and just boots that forward. Very well played into a safe area. Comilson, he takes a bit of a chance there, but he measures that to perfection. Good communication there from the fullback and goalkeeper. Touch forward, lovely touch there, magnificent work. Now Kingsgrave FC on the move. This is very smooth, looks to play the through pass on the left foot. Good defending. Excellent work there to just come across, the ball back cleanly. Switches on. Lovely first touch. Ball just squirts forward and the keeper should be favourite and he'll collect that quite comfortably in the end. He's just holding his throat there. That looks very, very uncomfortable. Whether or not he got a bit of a knock there. Really, really important that he gets back onto his feet as quickly as possible. That looks like a painful one. Lovely turn away. He's run to the right hand side. Just put the ball into the box. The ball is way into the final few minutes here. In a very professional display in the second half. Karbi Anglong Morningstar FC. Just beat through the right hand side. Great work there. Looks to clip the pass. It's a good interception there. It'll be a corner. Corner taken short. First time really, Arun, he gets the ball back now. First time ball into the box. It's a good header off the front post. Still Karbi Anglong Morningstar. She's still pushing, still wanting another goal here. All but kill the game off. Look comfortable though. They've conceded very few opportunities. That free kick comes to mind. It's calmly collected by the goalkeeper. Comes in. Managed to clear. A bit of a skewed clearance there. It'll be awkward for the goalkeeper, but he sees that sail over his crossbar. Corner kick here into the final 2 minutes of normal time. Into the box, keeper stays at home there. It's a crucial header away. Here's Robinson, goes around the outside, cross comes in, again at the front post, clears away, another corner. "90 seconds of normal time to be played. Krabi Anglong Morning Star FC still pressing, still wanting goals. Really have to applaud the appetite that they've shown here. The application has been first class. Really have set a marker here in Group D. And takes it short. Robinson lays it off to Arun. Looks to lay it off. Looks to pump that from a long way out. Ambitious. At this stage of the game, you don't really blame them as we head to the final minute of normal time here. That forward. Then it's calm. They're trying to play out the back here. That is all but wrapped up here for the home side. There have been some top performances on the home side. You can pick out any of the back four. Midfield of Cornelius, Arun, Sheetal, really good. I think the plaudits and all the credit will go to Robinson, though, making an impact with all 3 goals, scoring an absolute screamer as well. That's a good ball into the box. Doesn't get the connection that he was looking for. We're into stoppage time. And as it stands, Krabi Anglong Morning Star FC will head to the top of Group D here. Earlier this afternoon, Buna FC and Jaipur Elite Football Club played out a 1-1 draw. Home side here really have put in a marker here. They have a target on their back as Arun. Evening comes to an end. He has been magnificent, absolutely everywhere. Put in a real shift. And he'll get the substitution here. See the entrance of Goyan Gamba. He looks to navigate stoppage time here. Lovely touch on the chest, looks that away. This is so good to watch here. Lovely move on the left-hand side. Here's Robinson. Can he end with a flourish? Just nutmeg him. Clever play there. I think the engine on him has been absolutely brilliant. Put on the afterburners at every opportunity he gets to isolate the fullback, take him one-on-one. He's gotten a lot of joy and success. Into the box. Another substitute being readied on the sidelines there. Number 25, Shal Gurung, might get the extra time. Try and make a bit of an impact here. It's a clever touch. He's almost pinched the ball back there. Things are still not cleared. There's a chance there to pass that centrally, but he decided to go himself. So 2 minutes of stoppage time has been played. Good pass here, looks to lift that away into the final minute of stoppage time. Lovely move down the right hand side. They are committing bodies forward here. Top in on his left foot. Still keeping possession, like to just catch him out at the near post there, but it's harmlessly into the hands of the goalkeeper. It's on target. Another shot on target here as we're the final knockings, the final 20 seconds. As see one of the players hitting the deck there, holding the back of his head. Might need to check him out here as quickly as possible, especially with head injuries. Tomlinson done well to keep the ball in as we're to the final 10 seconds. Tries to play that out of play just to make sure that it gets the attention that he needs. Throw in taken. Can expect full-time whistle any moment now. It has been a perfect performance here from Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC, and the full-time whistle has blown, and it is the home side to go to the top of the table here after a convincing performance. After going down a goal early into the first half, it is a perfect response. Them giving Kinkra FC an early lead, and from there, Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC have been magnificent. Number 18 Pessier leveled things up after a magnificent ball there by Robinson, and from there it was two magnificent finishes from Robinson. He has been electric throughout the game, and what a performance, a complete team performance. And that will really please the coach. See his troops execute a game plan to the T. It's full time here at the Casa Stadium here in Dipu. Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC 3, Kinkra FC 1, and it's been a great day of football here in Group D of the I-League 3. We will be back with more action as Group D progresses. I hope you guys had a wonderful time watching and listening to the action we have presented to you live here on SportVote. Bring you the statistics here in this match in terms of all the metrics. Karbi Anglong Morning Star on top of all of them. Brilliant performance in terms of keeping the ball, making sure that they trouble the goalkeeper as much as possible. It shows on the score sheet here. It's full time here. It's Karbi Anglong Morning Star FC 3, Kinkra FC 1. This is me, Suraj, who's been your commentator for this evening. I will see you guys very, very soon as the action here in the I-League 3 continues. Have a very good evening, folks.